Question number 7. Which of the following inequalities is best represented by the shaded region of the graph below? That is the shaded region, of course. So my first step will be to determine the equation of the line, of this line right here. For a second, we're going to just ignore that this is in fact an inequality. And y equals mx plus b is the equation of the line in slope-intercept form. That is the slope, that is the y-intercept. The arrow is supposed to be pointing at b. Okay, so what is the slope? Rise over run, right? Rise over run. In this case, let's take a look here. We have a run of 2. If we're going from this point to the other, we have a run of 2, since it's going from 0 to 2 in terms of x. And what is the rise? Well, we're going down by 1 unit. So the rise is -1. Because we go from y equals 1 to y equals 0. So, rise, -1, run, 2. So the slope is -half. So we can plug that in here. There we go. Y equals -half x plus the y-intercept. And what is the y-intercept? 1, right? Right here. 1. But now we're looking for an inequality. And we have this area here shaded, which is the area above the line. Since it's the area above the line that we're looking at, we just need y is greater or equal to -half x plus 1. So the answer is A. Y is greater or equal to -half x plus 1. Of course, 0.5 is equivalent to 1 over 2. And, of course, if the area was shaded underneath, below the line instead, we would have y is smaller or equal to -half x plus 1. But in this case, the answer is A. Question number 8. Which of the following inequalities is, well, this is just the same question. Now, we're looking for the slope to get started. And the slope is the rise over the run. Okay, the run is just 2 because we're going from 0 over to 2. Now the rise, we're going from -4 up to 2. So the rise is 6 because -4 plus 6 is +2. So rise over run, 6 over 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So we know that that is our slope. So according to y equals mx plus b, the equation of the line in slope-intercept form, I can just plug in the 3 for m. So we have y equals 3x plus, now the y-intercept is just, what is it? -4. So y equals 3x minus 4 is the equation of this line. And we have the area below the line shaded. So we can say y is smaller or equal to 3x minus 4. So the answer is D. That's it.